Hi friends, my name is Daiwik and you're watching Daiwik Art Club. In this new video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a mini book out of paper. Wait guys, before starting the video, make sure you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates on interesting videos. Without any time wasting, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.